you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. First of all, I want to say thank you so much for caring about me and about that dizzy spell, but I'm okay. And I am seeing about it with the doctor. Now, I had to go to the grocery store today because guess who lost his stamps card and don't know where to put it? But I did a $70 grocery haul based on what I got from the food pantry. Now I'm going to show you what $70 gets me, but I got the bare necessities to make other meals. Okay? All right, come on, let's take a look. We're going to start from the left to the right. Now I got some bananas because these are needed, and you usually don't get these from the food pantry. And I needed something for my potassium to keep my blood pressure low. Potassium is key, okay? Very important to your heart, too. Now, I also got me some bread because I was totally out. I got some wonderful white bread, okay? And I got me some onion rolls because I love onion rolls. And that's going to play a part in my lunch and also dinner. Then, of course, we had to not forget little Miss Shy. I got her some cat food. I got her 3 cans of the wet food as a treat. And then her main is her dry food right here. Okay? Then, of course, I got myself some wonderful salad starter, romaine lettuce, and whatnot all in here. I love that. This will be gone by tomorrow. Then I got a red onion, essential for antioxidants. Is it antioxidants? I think I'm saying that right. Nutrients, very good for you, especially this time of year to ward off colds. Okay. Then I got me some canned soup that I'm going to use this to help make other things. Then I was being lazy, y'all, and I wanted some clam chowder, and it was too expensive to get the ingredients to make it, so I bought some. I got the one with the lowest amount of sodium, y'all. I tried my best, okay? Now, I did get some sodium-free chicken bouillon. Oh, I love this stuff. So handy because this is going to come in handy with making my soups. Now, y'all know I'm making my pumpkin soup. I'm making that. As soon as I get my card back online so I can have some more money, I can go do my big grocery haul. Then I've got some low sodium stuffing. I got some hollandaise sauce. This is going to play a part. This is not just for breakfast. This is going to be partially for breakfast and for some other meals. Okay? I'll make the sauce and I'll put the rest up. Got something quick to drink. Some Minute Maid strawberry kiwi. It's cool. It's only 5% juice, but it was on sale. Yeah. Then I got some breakfast sausage because, as you all know, I got eggs from the food pantry. So now I got the sausage to go with them. Then I got some ground beef because I'm going to make my own hamburger helper. We're going to make our own stroganoff, okay? Then I've got some hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. Today, guess what we're making? That's right. Along with those onion rolls, Slappy Joes. Now, I got some Daisy sour cream. That's going to be for the stroganoff. And then I got some butter, a gallon of milk, and some cheese. I just wanted some American cheese to go with the cheddar, okay? I do have cheddar cheese, but I also got this. Now I'm good on cheese. All right. Now, this is what I got for $67. Oh, and I did get, hold on, 2 jugs of spring water. I forgot to show that. The other one's in the icebox getting cool. I had put both of them in there. Yeah. So this is what I got for $67. But this is the main stuff to add to other stuff. So I hope you've learned something. Take what you get from the food pantry. know what you can make from that. Get the missing ingredients from the store. Now, we're also going to make larger size meals. Why? Because I'm going to show you how to make your own frozen dinners in advance. So in a way, we're making meals for one, but several meals for one that'll last us for the week. Food prep? Yeah. All right. I know, blah, blah, blah. Now, I've got a grocery haul coming up. I just got to get a few things in order. Like I said, I got to get that card working again. And I'm going to show you how to get big deals on meat. What? What did Chris say? Yeah, big deals on meat. Survival packs. Have you heard of them? Well, I'm going to teach you about them on the next video. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.